Guys, what's up? This is my first vlog I'm making and I am a bit nervous, so please don't judge me if I make any mistakes. So today I'm gonna cook something. I absolutely love cooking, so please watch till the end of the video to see what I made. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and please support me.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
See guys, what happens when you cut onions.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hello, what's up guys? So to continue the rest of the video, me and my brother who is behind the camera,
Hello guys.
we plan to play cricket. So I'll just do a time-lapse video on how we were playing, so because it will be a very lengthy video. So yeah guys, so guys, we were way too bored after playing the cricket match. So my brother Fida
Hey guys.
and I came up with a idea of keeping a fun challenge. The challenge is
Saying a tongue twister in just one breath.
the winner will be getting a RC car as a prize.
Whoa.
So without any further ado, let's start the challenge.
Yeah.
Sure. The first one will be my brother Fida. 1, 2, 3. I'll say the tongue twister. We have to repeat it. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Now you have to repeat it.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was fuzzy. Was he?
Okay.
I won.
The second one, he will be saying it for me.
Peter Piper picks up peck of. Difficult man. Okay, another one. Okay. Here's a good one. She sells shells by the seashore.
Just this? Okay. She sells.
Gone. Continue.
She sells seashores. She shells.
You lost it.
Oh no, man.
1, 2. I mean 1 0. Sorry. Take your phone, man.
Oh, this one. If you notice this notice, you will notice that this notice is not worth noticing.
Repeat again.
Yeah, repeat. Okay. If you notice this notice, you will notice that this notice is not worth noticing.
If you notice this notice, wait. This notice. If you notice this notice, you will notice that this notice is not worth noticing. I won again.
Okay, okay.
2 C. C. One was a racehorse. 2 was a 1-2. When 1 won one race, 2 won 1-2.
Repeat it.
1 was a racehorse. 2 was 1-2. When 1 won one race, 2 won 1-2.
1 was a race horse. 2 won the one.
Excuse me.
2
He lost again, guys.
Can you please repeat it once again?
Seriously?
Yeah.
1 was a race horse. 2 was 1-2.
2 was 1 2.
When 1 won one race, 2 won 1-2.
1 was a race horse. 2 was
What?
1 2.
You have to say in just one breath, bro. You lost it again.
No man. This is my video and I am losing the challenge. That's not fair.
See, I'm so.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish. But if you wish the wish which is wish, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
Bro, I just gave you a so small one. You can give me a little bit easy one.
No, no.
At least 2 sentences. Just give me 3 or 4 sentences.
No, no.
That's cheating.
Sorry, okay. The other one. I thought a thought. But the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. Wasn't the thought I thought I thought. If the thought I thought had been the thought I thought, I wouldn't have thought so much.
Repeat that.
I thought a thought. But the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought I thought.
I thought a thought that
No,
was...
I am not completed yet. I thought I am repeating again.
Okay.
Just listen carefully. I thought a thought. But the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. I thought. If I thought had been the thought I thought, I wouldn't have thought so much.
This is way more bigger than the before one. I can tell you just half. Make it just half. The thought one.
But you'll get half point.
Huh? That's not fair.
That's fair. Okay, say half.
I thought a thought that wasn't the thought, but I thought a thought that was a thought.
No.
Oh shit, man. Okay, I give up. Oh, 2 1.
2-0.
I lost, man.
So?
Okay, 2 0. This is difficult, man.
Let's see.
Let's see if it's good or not. Betty bought a butter, but the butter was Betty bought a butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought a butter better to make the Betty butter better.
Betty bought a bitter butter. Repeat it again.
Betty bought a butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought a butter better to make the bitter butter better.
Betty bought a bitter butter. Betty bought a butter, but the
Betty bought a bit of butter. You're saying wrong. This is
repeat it again.
Betty bought a bit of butter. But
Bitter butter.
the better, sorry, Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought a butter better to make the bitty butter better.
Okay. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter.
Okay.
So Betty bought a better butter to make the bitter butter better.
I don't believe it. You did it.
Ooh, my first point.
1, 2. Child, this girl, this is a woman, man.
This is the last one. Whoever says the correct, basically if I say correct, we tie.
Will be a tie.
If he says correct, he'll win the RC car. So,
Let's see, man. Let's see.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked?
I give up. Dude, this is so difficult. You can't give it, okay?
So, now I'll say. You hold the phone.
Cheating.
If a dog chooses shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
If a dog. Repeat again.
If a dog chooses shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes he choose?
Wrong! Woo, I won! So, I bought this RC car and I'm gonna keep it.
It's not fair. Okay, you won.
Okay, so bye guys. That's it for today's vlog. We are gonna end the vlog here. Hope you like the video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button.
Bye.
Bye.